In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a discount on a Xero invoice in just about 5 minutes. This is a valuable skill for any business owner or individual who uses Xero for their accounting needs and wants to provide discounts to their customers without any hassle. First up, you'll want to navigate to the Xero website. It's the starting line for our quick guide on managing your invoices with discounts. Once you're there, you'll look for the login button, which is typically located in the top right corner of the home page. Go ahead and click on that. Next, you're going to enter your login credentials. This means typing in your registered email and password into the respective fields provided. These are the keys to your financial kingdom, so make sure you've got them correct. After you've entered your credentials, it's time to click on the login button to access your dashboard. Your dashboard is essentially the heart of your Xero account, where you can get a snapshot of your business's financial situation at a glance. Speaking of your dashboard, once you're logged in, you're going to head directly to it. If you have trouble finding it, look for a link or a button labeled Dashboard. It will take you right where you need to be. Now, we're getting to the crux of today's lesson, adding a discount to an invoice. From your dashboard, you'll want to initiate the creation of a new sales invoice. There should be an option that says New Sales Invoice or something along those lines. It's your ticket to creating a transaction record. Sometimes it might even be represented by a plus new button or link. Once you've clicked on creating a new sales invoice, it's time to customize it to fit your needs. And this is where the discount comes into play. Look for an option that says Show Hide Fields. It's a nifty feature that allows you to customize what information you want to see and enter on the invoice template. Clicking on this option might reveal several hidden fields that you can take advantage of. Among these previously hidden fields, you'll find the discount option. It's your goal for today. Click on discount to be able to add the amount of discount you wish to apply to this invoice. You can choose to add a percentage discount or a fixed amount depending on your client's preference. It's a straightforward way to adjust the invoice total and reflect any special considerations or promotions you're offering. Lastly, after you've entered the discount amount that fits the bill, so to speak, it's time to save your work. Look for a Save button or icon, typically located at the bottom or top of the invoice page. Clicking on this will update the invoice with all the information you've just added, including the newly applied discount. And there you have it. You've just successfully added a discount to a Xero invoice. It's a simple yet powerful way to manage your invoicing with an added layer of flexibility. Remember, offering discounts can be a great strategy to retain loyal customers and attract new ones, besides providing a personalized service. Make sure you familiarize yourself with these steps so you can effortlessly apply discounts whenever the situation calls for it. Keeping these steps in mind and practicing a few times will make the process second nature to you. And before we wrap up, here's a quick tip. Always double check the final invoice total after applying the discount to ensure accuracy. Mistakes can happen, and it's better to catch them before sending the invoice to your client. That's all for today's guide on how to add a discount on a Xero invoice. We hope you found this video helpful and easy to follow. Be sure to practice, and in no time you'll be customizing your invoices like a pro. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check back for more helpful tutorials and tips on making the most out of Xero for your business.